Lucid dreaming is when you become aware that you're dreaming while still in the dream state. In a lucid dream, you can often control aspects of the dream, like the environment, characters, or even your own actions. It's a fascinating phenomenon because, while you're in the dream, you know it's not real, but you can still experience and influence it as though it were. Here are a few key points about lucid dreaming. Awareness. The core of lucid dreaming is the realization that you're dreaming. This can happen spontaneously or through practice. Some people experience lucid dreams naturally, while others use techniques to trigger them. Control. In many cases, lucid dreamers can control their dreams to some extent. This might include flying, changing the dream setting, or interacting with dream characters. The level of control can vary from person to person. Benefits. People use lucid dreaming for various reasons, such as overcoming nightmares, practicing skills, e.g., rehearsing public speaking or athletic movements, exploring creativity, experiencing things they can't in real life, like flying or meeting fictional characters. Techniques for lucid dreaming. Reality checks. Regularly checking during the day if you're dreaming can help you recognize when you're dreaming at night. This might include things like checking if you can breathe through your nose while pinching it, or reading text, and looking away to see if it changes. Mnemonic induction of lucid dreams. Mild. This involves repeating a mantra before sleep, reminding yourself that you'll realize you're dreaming. Wake back to bed, WBTB. Waking up after a few hours of sleep and then going back to bed increases the chances of entering a lucid dream during the next sleep cycle. Dreaming and brain activity. During lucid dreams, your brain is more active compared to non-lucid dreams. Interestingly, the areas of the brain associated with self-awareness and decision-making light up more during lucid dreaming. Would you be interested in trying to have lucid dreams, or do you already have them? There are some techniques that might help if you want to experiment with it.
Thanks for tuning in. Remember to hit the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and drop a comment below.